welcome back to my page, YouTube. What I have before you guys is Pittsburgh socket set, 37 pieces in pack. Comes with this great carrying case, made solid. I had this over a year now. The clips are great. They're not cheaply made, great clips. You also have a little hole through here. Okay, let's look inside. There you go. It comes with two extensions, a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. And also it comes with an adapter. For 3/8, for 1/2. These are 1/2 inch. Standard is 1 inch. Biggest one is 1 inch. 1/2. Carry you. Can't really see. Or there you go. Put you in an angle. Well, these are all top portion for half sockets. I've been using this a lot. These are a great tool for the buy. It's excellent, and none of them cracked on me yet. I've been using it on a lot of impact. I've purchased from Harbor Freight. This is 3/16 Pittsburgh. It's made by CRV, and this is not the Pro. It's just I bought it on sale for $24. These are the 3/8. The biggest 3/8 socket is 3/4. These are also made by CRV. You can tell I've been using it a lot. The paint will be slowly coming off, but other than that, it haven't break on me or crack on me. If you kind of notice that there's slightly a little bit wear at each corner. All of these are 6 points, and look at that. It's kind of a wear to it, but it still works pretty good. It haven't break on me. It haven't crack on me. None of these. I've been using this a lot, and of course I somewhat lend out my tools now and then. There's a little abrasion there, here and there, but this is a great set. Here's your 3/8. You can just put it in here like so. It's pretty hard to do this with one hand. There you go. And you can just throw on one of these 1/2 inch sockets. God, come on. There you go. And you got your 1/2 for a 3/8 ratchet. If you don't have a 1/2 inch ratchet, you can always. It comes with the kit, so it's not bad for the price. Not bad at all. Well, good day, Harbor Freight, and I hope this will help you on your next visit to Harbor Freight. And maybe you'll come and purchase one of these for your vehicle, or buy one for a friend or a coworker, or a gift to your husband. It's a great set. Well, thank you for coming to my page. Good day.